Hello, welcome to the pet room. I'm just having this tape drive fast forward a bit. I have found some other glasses, although not my best glasses, but some. They may help me see. Oh yeah, this could be better. MPS 6540. Yeah, that helps. Okay, and definitely, if I yank a RAM chip out of here. Oh yeah, the 6550. Good stuff. So, not all glasses are created equal. That's why I have a bunch of them, depending. Some of them are more handy for specific functions. This tape drive is having a hard time. Stop. I'm going to rewind. Anyway, so you can see some glasses are used only on special occasions. They are. Anyway, let me have a look at some of these others to see if they too would be good. Yeah, these are good too. They are. And what about these Green Goblin glasses? Oh, I don't know. Yeah, they would be good too. Okay, so we have an assortment of glasses here. This will be possibly helpful. So you know what I might do? I might open my bag of bags, which is of course in a bigger bag. And I might stop. It always helps if you actually hit the key. It's very easy to hit the wrong key. You know what I'm going to just try for fun? I'm going to type load. I'm going to press play. So this bag has a 6540. And it's finding something. And this one, this 6540 came from the Chiclet Pet. Now, I don't know what program is actually loading. I don't know. It's probably not for the pet necessarily. This, there, I will not mix that up. But it does seem to be loading something. I also found here my headband thing that I can use to brighten things up a bit. I could actually put it on my head if I wanted. We'll see about that. What else did I bring? Oh, okay. Recycling. So it does seem to be loading. Tape is index BU3. Ugh. It's funny, you know, long ago in the days of TPUG, when I was the librarian, we had all these naming conventions and have things finish with, just check, are we still lit? Is the microphone still lit? Please, Lord. I can't see. Is the microphone still lit? It is. Okay, good. Sorry. Load error. Oh, well. Whatever. May not even be for this machine. List. Yeah, that's weird. lots of little pi symbols. Anyway, it's all right. We will run stop, see if it stops. It does not. So that's okay. It's a good time to turn it off. All right. So I'm going to open this up. And all the RAM chips are in here. And the chip puller is right here. So what I'm going to do is take out one of the screen RAM chips. I'm going to take the one out from the right. Why? Well, why not? And boy, that is a tough thing. As I say, some of the writing on these, perhaps it was never very easy. Perhaps it aged poorly. All right. Screen. RAM. Check. That. Right. Hard to mix things up when you put them in little bags, such as this. There we are. So here we have a bunch of RAM chips that are the same. I'm just feeling for the witness mark. Indeed, the witness mark points down towards the front of the machine. I am going to put on some reading glasses, but those ones are not, you know what, they're fine, but they are a little bit close, so they don't make it today at this moment. These ones let me see a little bit better at more of a distance. And there, RAM chip in, turn machine on. Yay. All right. A good RAM chip is a good thing to find. Okay. So we turn it off. We pop it out gently, 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 gently. And put that right here. I will get a bag. So we check the pins on another RAM chip. Remember, if the screen looks wonky, the RAM chip is bad. And that's good. Okay, so before I go any farther, okay, take out a bag. Good. 65, 50. Blue. Running on the bags isn't always easy. I tend to try and jump. Good, 65, 50, Blue Bezel. All right. Always make sure that you have turned the machine off before you start yanking chips. I only say this because, like anything, it is easy, especially with the thing up in the air like that, to screw up. We have all done it. All right. The thing I do worry about with all of this is wearing out the socket, which could happen. It could. Okay, that's 2. Checking the witness mark, checking the pins, aligning it up, just so. Pushing it in, double checking, turning it on. Okay. So far, we are 3 for 3. Turn off the machine, take out the chip. And do-dee-dee-dee-doo. And do-dee-dee-dee-doo. All right. 3. Good RAM chips. Oh, this is a dusty one. Make sure the witness mark is okay. Make sure the pins look okay. The machine is off, which I already did. Put it in. Turn it on. And it's good too. This is encouraging. It is. Because these RAM chips are notorious for going bad. And they're not easy to find. And they are not cheap. Like I've heard rumblings, they might be like 20 or 25 bucks each. And if that is the case, to populate a pet such as this would be a pretty penny. Because I guess there's 18 altogether. And that adds up quickly. Alright. Here's another RAM chip. The machine is off. I'll line it up. Pop it in. It looks good. Turn it on. And we are cooking with gas. I may, and you know, I probably should be putting these chips into some anti-static thing rather than just having them all in this bag. I will look into this. This bag is getting close to its capacity. So perhaps I will start a second one. So another RAM chip, check the witness mark, check the pins, the machine is off. It's giving a little more resistance. It's in. Turn it on. And we're good. All right, time for another bag. I don't have much room to write here. So good. 65, 50, blue, bezel. All right, turn it off. We're almost done with these. Almost. At least one. the ones I've been able to find, there are some missing. But also, there's some more, like there are some in the board. See, with an old pet like this, and this is something I learned while at the World of Commodore one year, all you need to do in terms of RAM is have 4 chips. As in these 2 and these 2. You got 4 chips in there. If the machine is going to work, it'll come up. That's all you need to see if it works. So if you got a whole bunch of RAM, you can pop most of it out. Now, does this help you run programs? No, it does not. It does not. But in order to test things, that's what you need. All right. 2. Got 2 more that are free. Okay, check the witness mark, check the pins. Machine is off. Push it in. And we're all good. Yet again. All right. We're all good. We're all fine. I think, from what I know, there's just one more sitting in here. So, check the witness mark, check the pins. Machine is off. Line it up. Pop it in. And that too is a successful RAM chip test. Lovely. All right. So we'll put these bags. Oh, come on, you. The chips are kind of binding and fighting a bit. I don't want that. Okay, 1, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4. Okay, I think I'm going to mark this as 4. Put that in there. This one has 5. So that is good. All right. I will ponder. What is this thing here? A couple of big chips that aren't in anywhere. I need to switch glasses. Okay, I need to ponder my next move and see what's what in testing out more and more and more and more and more of these small chips and major chips on these original pets. So thanks for coming to the pet room. David Bradley, signing off. Bye for now.